I'm in the middle of it.
Hey Geek, so you're probably seeing a lot of my Laos videos, and that's in Laos, but here in America, Lao Americans, we obviously adopt a lot of the same cultures, and today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of that. My aunt's over here cutting up some food, and we have some kapun over here, it's like noodles, and then also very similar to Laos and most Southeast Asian cultures, we mostly all eat together. So there's already some people eating right here. Yeah, they've already ate, but at the same time, we also have Cambodians here as well. And so we have a mixture of Laos, Cambodian. And so this is very similar to what you're probably seeing on my videos, but it's different here because it's here in America. And so the good thing is a lot of things that we love in our culture, specifically family time, eating together, and just enjoying our lives together, that has not changed, which is a great thing. And yeah, we're gonna eat all of this. And then there's other activities that Laotians like to enjoy, mostly drinking, partying, just having a really, really good time. Gambling, that's something that like practically all Southeast Asians love. And going to the temple and drinking beer. And also singing, and also singing karaoke. So most of us here, we don't drink beer Lao like we do in Laos, but Heineken is something that a lot of Laotians drink, even in Laos, as you probably saw. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and dig in, have some lunch, and I'm gonna show you some other clips of us just enjoying ourselves later in the evening and just having a really, really good time. So this is traditional Lao American Cambodian style here in America. We got chicken feet. Check out this. Yeah. Yeah, right there. Oh, yeah, it's really, really good. This is spicy, yet delicious. Obviously, all their bowls are empty because they've enjoyed it. And Cambodian food, they share similar things, yeah, to most Southeast Asian dishes. So if you enjoy eating Southeast Asian dishes, it's probably something that you'll enjoy no matter which country that you're in down there. So.
The Lao food is the best.
Yeah, of course. That's a challenge right there. Cambodia versus Laos. So we're gonna go ahead and eat some kapun.
Blood no good. I like blood.
Yeah. I've never had curry with
Really
blood before.
I gotta keep it out. Yeah. Like a rock and roll, really. I don't have money back. That's 10 USA. I gotta do it my handmade. Then handmade.
Rock and roll pants. We also have some other stuff. We got some meats here, some turkey neck, yeah, and then some mango right over there. So yeah, it's really, really good food. And this is all like family style cooking. So the best food that you're gonna be able to get, at least in my opinion. เล่นไพ่นะ อันนี้ก็ปัจจุลากับน้องกับผัวกับอ้ายอันนี้ก็ร้านอันนี้ก็แม่ตู้นะเอามาเล่นไพ่อยู่ทีแล้วเล่นไพ่ก็มัน